Hey there guys, I hope you guys are doing well in this pandemic. So today's video will be fairly short. I will be announcing the winners for the ArcPack Powerbank. There will be 2 lucky winners, so let's go ahead and get started. So I accidentally entered in my own giveaway when I was trying to test this out to see if it was working. And I don't know how to get rid of this, so hopefully it doesn't skew anything. And now it's time to draw a winner. So good luck everyone, and here we go. So here we have the winners. So congratulations to Bazam Booty and Praktik Gadekar. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. So congratulations to both of you. I will contact you guys via email, so make sure you keep an eye out for my email. I will be asking for your address only so I can provide it to PowerArc so they can send out the power banks to you guys. I will not ask anything else, so just keep an eye out for that email. So thank you all for participating in my giveaway, and a huge thanks to PowerArc for sponsoring the giveaway. So I will be having another giveaway for my 10,000 subscribers milestone, so stay tuned for that. And thank you all for your support and stay safe.
Invincible.